go-kart that we bought for 50 bucks. Craigslist. Another go-kart that we got for free. Another go-kart we got for 80 bucks. We actually got it for 60. I heavily modified it, the whole entire thing, with a 212 Predator engine, gas tank on the side, and then my hose cracked. It's not even for fuel. And a Go Power Sports air filter intake. You guys gotta check out Cars and Cameras. Go Power Sports got all kinds of badass parts for go-cars if you guys are interested. Now check this thing out too. Made a chopper. With a 212 Predator engine. All of these Predator engines right here have their governors removed. And painted.